retirement feeling more like a struggle than a reward? And you just want to spend time with your kids and your grandkids and make more memories, but you can't because your kids are busy working 2 to 3 jobs, just like you did when you were younger? I get it, my friend. That's why I went all in on this blueprint because it teaches me step by step how to have an online business and how to earn daily pay. Also teaches me how to have a 2-hour workday. So it gives me back my time freedom so I can spend time with my grandkids. It gives me time to be able to make more memories and make up for lost time. Oh, and another thing that I love about it is that you don't have to be techie, okay? Because they give you a pre-built system and the company gives you a website. So it's all set up for you. All you have to do is connect the dots. So if you'd love that, comment yes. I would absolutely love to share this with you.